Or day 84, I think it's 84, or 449 of practicing gratitude success by naming at least one person every day who I'm grateful for. And today I'm grateful for God, as usual, my family, my friends. I'm grateful for my co-host on Thursdays, Priscilla McMillan, who won't be here today because her power went out, but I'm grateful for her anyway. So today's going to be kind of a free-for-all day. There's a lot of things I want to say, and you don't want to take too much time during these videos here. So I'm grateful for Rick Johnson, who shared a story yesterday about being paralyzed and now being a self-employed entrepreneur. I'm really grateful for his amazing story that he shared. I put a blog out every day after the show. I put the video out, then I do a blog, so I tell a little bit more about that person so you can connect with him. He's an amazing guy. I'm grateful for Jackson Kelly, J-Man, who will be on tomorrow. I'm grateful for two new ladies that I met last night that are going to be on my show next month. Sean Tay is a friend of Terry's, and Debbie Garcia, Terry Miller, Debbie Garcia, and Susan D'Amico. I just met her last night. She's a relationship coach, help people to help the relationships, or maybe find relationships. So maybe there's hope for me yet. Who knows? Anyway, so I'm really grateful for her. I'm grateful for Lisa. I think her name's Dix. I'm not quite sure, but she's going to be on her. I'll put her name inside the video. I'm grateful for. I'm starting this new game this morning, and I wrote down because I've been talking about this, creating an image about us creating the image, the vision of who we want to be. And unless we have an image, a burning image, which I write down on my card, and I look at it every morning, I write it down in my journal, my gratitude journal. I look at it and I visualize it. I see it before I go to bed at night, and during the daytime I look at it. I look at the people I'm grateful for that day, and I look at the image of where I'm going. And until you have that image, and I didn't have that for all those years. I had other images, but I didn't have this burning image of who I am. I mean, I knew who I was, but I didn't know where I was going. So anyways, I've got that burning image going right now. So we're going to talk about that today, hopefully maybe today. But so the game was, I write down a letter, a word or sentence that starts with the letter M. And so you begin it with, I imagine, then M. So it could be, I imagine myself, or I imagine making, or I imagine manifesting, so whatever. So it's on my Facebook wall, so go ahead and check that out. So here, before I go, I'm going to mention the people who are playing the game so far. I wrote down some people who are actually playing it. Bonnie Edalambos, Brad Chalker, Tara Ann Moffat, Joan Chris Dyer, Edie Weinstein, Sitar Ahmed, Terry Miller, Tanya Myers-Nemec, and Tammy Malone. The tea ladies are there. And so here's Andy's going to say a quick word here. Andy, quick word you want to say?
Quick word.
Andy said a quick word. There's his greens. Make sure. Hey Andy, tell me something about the greens for a second, or just a green and red mix. Just say something about it that you like.
When it was just the green, it tasted like I just mowed my lawn.
It's better with the reds in it.
No, I can't say it's better. The greens are good alone. I like a mowed lawn.
I mean, they're both healthy because now you have just like 11 pounds of pure vegetables and fruit. I mean, just of superfood. So that's cool. But I think the reds make it taste better, personally.
Oh yeah, well it changes the taste from that green taste.
Yeah. It's good. So that's what you have here. Even though it looks green, it's a mixture of the red and the green. Yeah. Okay, Andy. Well, anything else you want to say here before we go away? Alrighty. That's Andy said. Have yourself a great day. So you go out and have yourself a great day. Positive momentum, and I'll talk to you later. Make sure you sign up for the newsletter at BobMillerSuccess.com. Bye bye.